Hello techies, welcome back to our DSS series. In this tutorial, I'll discuss about problem number 134 gas station. Okay, and this question is asked in Amazon. Okay, so the problem is gas station. Okay, so today we'll discuss how we approach the problem and solve it. Okay, so it's give there are n gas station, okay, along a circular route where the amount of gas at the ith station is gas of I. Okay, you have a car with an unlimited gas tank and its cost, that is cost of I of gas to travel from the ith station to its next I plus 1 station. Okay, you begin the journey with an empty tank at one of the gas station. Given two integer array gas and cost, return the starting gas station index. If you can travel around the circuit once it clockwise direction, otherwise return -1 if there exists a solution that is granted to be a unique. Okay, so and here you can see it's give an input gas is equals to 1 2 3 4 5, and its cost is 3 4 5 and 1 2, and its output is 3. Okay, so the actual the question is asking about we have n number of gas station. Okay, we travel from station one station to another station, and our fuel tank is empty. Okay, and our cost is given to arrive one station to another station. Okay, and it's say we have a integer gas and cost. Okay, and this is the value of gas we have, and this is a cost we have to travel one station to another station. Okay, and it's say return the starting gas station index if can travel around the circuit once. Okay, in the clockwise direction, that means in this provided cost we travel in a clockwise direction using this cost. Okay, so clockwise direction, otherwise return -1 if there exists a solution it is granted to be unique. Okay, so let's now discuss in our board, and let's the approach behind it. Okay, so this is our output input gas. Just second, uh, input gas 1 2 3 4 5, and its cost is 3 4 5 1 and 2, and its give output is 3. Okay, so first of all we understanding its index, this is 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, and this is the same index of the cost 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so this is our indexing value. So what will we do, we have a station number first, means our index is 0, so our we travel one station to another station, right? So we have a gas 1. Okay, means that we have a fuel of 1 liter. Okay, and this is our cost to travel another station, and that will be 3 liter. Okay, so in the gas we only have 1 liter gas to travel to another station. Okay, and for arrive thus this another station, uh, another station. Okay, and this is our starting point, starting starting, right? This is our starting, and this is our next station. Okay, so one we have only 1 liter, we have we have only 1 liter fuel, 1 liter fuel to travel to this station. Okay, and to travel to arrive this station, we have 3 liters of gas. Okay, so this is not possible to travel in 1 liter to the another station. Okay, now this is our index 1 and this is 2. Okay, so the formula is, just a second, formula says gas minus cost, gas minus cost. Okay, so if I minus our gas, so just a second, I'll dry run it. Okay, I'll change it color. Okay, index. Okay, so in the starting index of 0, in the index of 0, uh, just a second, in the index of 0, its value of 1 means gas is 1 and its provided cost is 3. Okay, so the answer is minus 2. Okay, we are not sufficient to travel to another station because we have not efficient cost. Okay, next, in the index number 1, its the value is 2 means we have available gas is 2. Okay, so in the index of 1 is equals to 2 and the cost is 4. The cost, just a second, the cost is 4 and its is also minus 2. Okay, we have only 2 gas to travel to our next station. Okay, and the required fuel is 4. Okay, so we have not sufficient gas to arrive the next station. Okay, so now index 2 is 3, in the index 2 is 3 and our cost is 5, cost is 5. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is equals to 2, minus ka 2. Okay, we have also now insufficient gas. Okay, so this is also wrong condition. Okay, so in the our next index number 3, its the value is 4. Okay, index 3 is equals to 4 and its cost is equals to 1, its cost is equals to 1 and the 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Okay, so our 3 is, here you can see in the index of 3 we have a gas is equals to 4 and required cost is equals to 1. Okay, so if you minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 equals to 3, so to arrive the next station we have a more sufficient cost means gas to arrive the next station. Okay, so our index 3 is our output. Okay, so this is the approach of this problem. Okay, this is the hard problem. Okay, and it's the problem statement are easy. Okay, so now it's let's code and see how it code in. So I'll come on our Leetcode. So first of all initialize your variables like total, tanks and start value. Okay, so I'll initialize total is equals to 0 comma tank is equals to 0, that store our gases. Okay, and start is equals to also 0. Okay, now we make a loop for int I is equals to 0, int I is equals to 0. Okay, because our index is starting from 0. Okay, now I is less than gas dot length, gas dot length gth, gas dot length. Our gas is initialized in our function. Okay, so if gas is not initialized, we not call the gas dot length. Okay, and I plus plus. Okay, we make a balance and store our gases of I is our indexing value. Okay, minus cost of I, minus cost of I, that means our value of gas and our value of cost. Okay, so our minus our gas and cost values. Okay, so now make our total. So total plus equal total plus equal balance. Okay, and our tank is also equals to balance. Okay, now make a condition. If our tank is less than 0, sorry, our tank is less than 0, start is equals to I plus 1. Start is equals to I plus 1. Okay, and tank is equals to 0. Tank is equals to 0. If its condition is false, return total is greater equal 0. If our total is greater equal to 0, then this condition are follow. Start minus 1. Okay, now I'll run this code and let's see what's happening. Just wait and see. Okay, so it is accepted. Now submit it. If you have a doubt in code, please comment. I'll make sure to fix that. Okay, so now it's submitted. So I hope you understand the process and you follow the DSS series. The our top interview question. Here you can see we'll cover merge sort, remove duplicate as a sorted to, majority element, rotate element. Okay, all of these questions. So make sure to see all the previous question and attempt that. Okay, if you have any doubt, please comment. Okay, and thanks for watching. And we in the next class we discuss about our candy problem. Okay, so make sure to search and solve these questions. Okay, thanks for watching.